Hi friends, today's story is an amazing one. The Wise Rabbit. Long ago, in a vast forest, there lived many animals. In that, the Lion King was the most arrogant. He used to kill the animals if he get hungry, and he used to think them as entertainers. One day, all the animals gathered for a meeting. In that, a monkey suggested, "We have to get rid of the lion." But how? No one came with an idea. So the monkey went to the king and said, "Dear king, we will put one deal. Every day, one animal will come to you and you will eat that. You don't need to hunt anymore so that our animals can also be preserved, or else within a week everything will go." Now the king thought for some time and felt that was a better idea. So he agreed. Yes, carry on. But remember, if you do not send me an animal, then I will hunt all of them. Now the monkey agreed and hopped back to the forest. Then he went and told to all the animals about his discussion with the lion. Then one day, a wise rabbit's turn was to go to the lion. The rabbit did not want to sacrifice himself for that arrogant lion. So he thought of a plan. Then he saw one well. Now an amazing idea entered his brain. He sat down and started plucking some carrots and eating them. He was enjoying it. But after some time, he felt that he'll have to carry out his plan and went slowly to the lion's den. The lion was angry as the rabbit had come so late. So he shouted at the rabbit, "How dare you do this? How can you come so late? I will eat another animal today." But the rabbit coolly replied, "Dear Majesty, while I was coming, I saw one lion. It told me that you are very weak and it is very strong. I said, No. My king is only strong. You are not strong." But it did not listen to me. What to do? So it became a little late. Now he's asking you to go and fight with him. The lion was angry and he said, "Okay, I will eat you later. Take me to that lion." And he went, and the rabbit showed him that in the well was a lion. The foolish lion bent and saw there was his reflection, but he thought it to be another lion and he started roaring. It also roared. He got angry. He shouted, "How dare you!" It also shouted. Now it was in full rage and jumped into the well. Then the rabbit did a nice dance and it went and said to all the animals. So the moral of the story is, cruelty will lead to destruction only. I hope you all understand. If you really like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.